Hello, it's Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am so excited to be back and sharing a plan with me today in my Cocoa Daisy personal size inserts. This is the Into the Blue collection. It is the July collection, and spoiler, I'm using it in June because I do what I want. I think this collection is so fun, and I live in South Florida, so this collection feels a bit evergreen to me because this is kind of our vibe all the time. And so, fun thing I'm going to do today, I have challenged myself to only use the planner kit for this spread. And I did it no problem, easy peasy. There is a sticker sheet that's behind those stickers that's actually from the classic cousin sticker kit. I don't use it because I notice it later as I'm working on this spread. So everything can be, if you like this spread, everything from this spread can be purchased in from the planner kit. And so I am starting with the things I know. I always start with my my known quantities, which are appointments, events, maybe meal planning, those sorts of things. And this particular week, which was last week, there were a few things going on, but mostly this week was like a bit of a recovery week from a kind of messy 2 weeks prior. Our air conditioning unit, which we knew was old when we bought our condo, finally bit the bullet and died. And what we were not prepared for was how long it was going to take for the installation to happen. Because when you live in a condo, you have to, there are a lot of hoops to jump through in order to get a new AC unit up on your roof. And so what we thought was going to take maybe a few days ended up taking 2 weeks. We did get a little portable unit and basically lived in one room of our condo for 2 weeks. So we were basically camping in our own place. And it was a heat wave. So our summer has not started exactly how we had planned it to. And also meant that I have been out of my studio for 2 weeks because it was like 95 degrees in my studio. So I'm very excited to be back filming and doing videos. And I was excited to do this spread all with one kit. With the personal size inserts, these are small inserts. And so I typically, for these pages, only add the big stuff on the weekly pages. And then because these inserts come with dailies, which I love a daily, I end up using the dailies for more of like the nitty gritty for each day of the week. And then you'll see I'm going to add a little bit of fun sort of crafty play on the in-between pages. So there's a lot of awesome things about these inserts. I also love that, like, if I just want to pull a weekly spread from July and add it to June, I can, because the inserts are not back to back. Like the weekly there's blank pages between the weeklies, so you could mix and match these inserts, as much as you want. I could pull a week from March if I wanted to and add it to my rings planner for right now. So I really love that. These have just been such a fun insert to play around with over the last couple of months, probably year actually. I think I started using the personal rings again back in June of last year, maybe. So yeah, it's been about a year, and I love them a lot, and I love that I can sort of completely customize my spreads. I will do a flip through of this planner setup, and I will also do a flip through of June. And I, again, apologize that I haven't done it yet. So other fun part of this planner kit is that they have rub-ons, and rub-ons are just so fun. There is something really therapeutic about just using a rub-on transfer sticker. They're very flat, so they're also great for bound notebook planners like a Hobonichi or so yeah, they're really versatile. And for this spread, because I had not a lot of like big things each day, I like filling in the details with just embellishment, and I think it looks really cute. And not every week is like this, so it's fun on the weeks where I don't have a lot going on to be able to just decorate a little bit more. And of course, the planner kit comes with die cuts as well, and those die cuts are adhesive backed, which are so handy. And yeah, I'm just adding some extra little details, and I would like to I had fish tacos, which feels like a little on the nose to add the fish there on Saturday, but it's so cute. Okay, so as I finish up the weekly page, I'm going to do a little like fun spread on the open grid page. I really wanted to make sure to use these little fish tags, I guess you would call them, and I thought it would be fun to pull some string from my stash and like string them up. Do I love this? Do I love how it turned out? Not really, but like it's just for fun, and it was just to like have a little creative play, and you know, it is what it is. It was kind of it's fine. It is what it is. That's the best part about creative play, is you're just trying things, and there is no pressure to like make it a masterpiece. It's just fun. I'm going to add the pocket that came in this kit, and just a tip, if you're adding a pocket to a spread like this and it's ring bound, you can always punch through the pocket. It will still work just fine. And now you can add it to your planner. And so I'm going to add the sticky note and just one of the pocket cards. And really this is just, I mean, I could use it functionally, but more it's just for fun. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.